Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to use Arc browser profiles for multiple Google accounts. So firstly, let me explain how Arc handles data. So spaces are just visual folders for your tabs, but profiles are the backend engines that store your cookies, history, and logins. So guys, I will just go ahead and show you that I already have one of my accounts logged in into one Google account. So for example, if I go ahead and press on Control T, Command T on Mac, and then I will go to Google, as you can see, I have my working test account right here already connected. Then if you want to create a new one, you need to go ahead and press right click right here where it says work. Then you go set profile and then choose new profile. There you go, just give it a name. For example, we'll just give it a name work, then next. Let's say, yeah, add it to work and create a profile. Okay, and then switch it up. Okay, and as you can see, the moment I did this, I am no longer logged in. As you can see, it just says, switch this to English, it says sign in. So as you can see, it uses the different pair of cookies, different instance of cookies. Now you can just go ahead and sign in. Okay, sign in into your account. And then guys, to flip your profile, right click, then you set profile and then default. Switch it up. Okay, now go back, and now as you can see, my account is back. So I'm not logged out, nothing like that. It's just, me going back into my previous account. So that's how you switch them. Pretty easily done with profiles. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.